All right, a little bit more about this external display, which may or may not be more exciting for you as far as potential announcements. The company reportedly completed work on this monitor months ago. I do believe Apple needs a cheaper monitor. You can't just have that billion-dollar monster. And that's where this rumored 27-inch comes in. It'll be a nice little companion, either for your MacBook or for one of these new Studio Macs, or even a Mac Mini for that matter. Here's the predictions as far as specs go. It would be a 27-inch without mini LED. These are the 2022 predictions from Ming-Chi, actually. So you get the powerful Mac Mini or the Mac Studio, whatever they choose to call it. And then you get the 27-inch without mini LED. And then in 2023 is when you would see a new Mac Pro and a new iMac Pro. So I don't know if we would hear anything about them at this event, but certainly they wouldn't be ready to go based on his predictions. Now, I don't know if the mini LED thing is a deal breaker for it. I don't know what technology they're going to employ. Is it just going to be old school LED at an affordable price? I don't imagine we would see OLED tech in there.
How much you think would be the cost or the price tag?
Well, it's actually kind of hard to say. Without it being mini LED, I mean, they could have other cool features. It could be high res. What do they say the resolution? What do they expect? I don't know, they're talking about a 7K successor to the Pro display. That will be very expensive. Yeah, if it's just a dumb display and it's 4K, but you know, it's Apple at the end of the day as well.
They're going to make it look pretty sleek.
It's going to be pretty, nice. And it will have a hub in it. As well. It'll be a single cable to attach, and then you could have your peripherals on it. I don't know, man. 600? I don't know. We're so close to the event. What does it matter? All right. We'll see very soon.